everyone, welcome back to Arty Party Paints. Today we're going to be doing a super cute, really quirky narwhal design with a rainbow horn because why not? So to start off, I'm going to use white first. We're going to do like the belly so that way we can go around it and we don't smear our white too much. So let's start with the belly. Is going to go right here and just make kind of a teardrop shape like that, or like a paisley looking thing, right? Okay, so the tail's going to be up here and the rest of the head's going to be here with the little fins down there when we get done with it. Alright, and let's make him, I'm going to say, how about we do a blue one today. You can make it pink, you can make it purple, you can make it whatever color you want, but we're gonna do blue today. So I'm gonna load up my filbert brush. That was a filbert too that I started with. The white is a filbert. This is another filbert. We're gonna trace around, but we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, right? Alright, and try not to overlap that white too much, because it'll bleed into your blue and make it a little streaky. But if you feel like that's too big, you can make that a little smaller too. This is all adjustable. Alright, and for the tail, we're just going to kind of pull down. You want to keep it kind of small to keep it extra cute. Just like that. The little fins, let's do one little fin down here. One little fin down here, kind of breaking that outline up a little bit. Super cute. Alright, so to make the narwhal horn rainbow, which is also a trick you can use for your rainbow unicorns or whatever you want to do, that you do a horn, we're going to load it up with our rainbow cake here. This is Leanne's, let's see here, Leanne's Lollipop. This is a really awesome rainbow. It's like super neon and really cool, and it just stands out so nice and has great coverage. So for the horn, we're gonna do a very slight little twist. So wherever you want the horn to be, you're gonna leave the tip of it, the pointy part, you're gonna leave that stationary, and you're gonna pull the other edge like just a little bit. So we're gonna have it come out of his forehead. We're gonna plop our brush down a little bit there, and we're just gonna twist a tiny bit. And we're gonna outline it, so don't worry if it's perfect. But there's your rainbow horn right there. Alright, and now we're gonna do our eyes on our little narwhal over here. Alright, so the eyes, let's do our cute little cutesy eyes over here. So we're going to keep them kind of far apart. Maybe give her some little eyelashes if you want to. And our mouth, we don't have to do, we could do like our cute little princess mouth with a heart, but we can also just do a smiley face like that. Alright, and now just outline the rest of it. Outline really helps pull it all together. And I don't like to outline that white, I like that just to be the belly. I actually like to outline the horn in white too. So we're going to add those little white dots into the eyes too. We're letting them dry because if those eyes are too wet when you go in with your little dots, they're just going to kind of bleed everywhere and it's going to look kind of weird. So we're going to do our two little dots. See how much cuter that makes it right away? It's like amazing what those little dots will do. And now we're gonna outline the horn. So I'm just gonna use my white and drag it, make it a little extra long, and then give it some little like twists kind of along those colors, right? Super cute narwhal. We're gonna give her a little bit of an outline here. And some stars or some bubbles with our chunky glitter. Just like that, some stars. This is really awesome chunky glitter if you want to put that around it. Again, don't put this on top of the paint because it is a gel base, so it'll smudge it. If you want to put it on top of the painting, you can use the fluffer bottle or something like this American glitter cream, American Body Art glitter cream. This goes right on top of your paint. You can apply it with your finger and just kind of smooth it over the top. It's very awesome and super sparkly, and I love it. But there you go, there's our cute little baby narwhal with a rainbow horn design. It's pretty easy, you can adapt it, change the colors, play around with it, see how you like to shape it. Do the eyes a little different, do the mouth a little different. Like, I'm really curious to see how you guys make it your own. But there you go, hope you enjoy this and see you next time.